Coffee, a beloved beverage enjoyed worldwide, comes from a beautiful plant. This plant, known as coffee, produces the coffee beans that are roasted and ground to make the drink we all love. The journey of coffee from plant to cup is fascinating and steeped in history. This plant is originally from Ethiopia, where it has been cultivated for centuries. The Ethiopian coffee ceremony is a beautiful tradition that showcases the cultural significance of coffee in this region. Coffee thrives in warm climates, particularly in tropical regions. These areas provide the perfect conditions for coffee plants to flourish, with their consistent temperatures and ample rainfall. Coffee plants love sunshine but not too much direct heat. They grow best under partial shade, which protects them from the intense midday sun, while still allowing them to soak up the necessary light. These plants prefer slightly acidic soil that drains well. Proper soil conditions are crucial for the health of the coffee plant, ensuring it gets the right nutrients and moisture. With proper care, you can grow your own coffee plant at home. It requires patience and attention, but the process is incredibly rewarding. Imagine the aroma of fresh coffee filling your home. There's nothing quite like the scent of freshly brewed coffee to start your day. Growing coffee is a rewarding experience. Watching your plant grow and eventually produce beans is a testament to your dedication and care. It connects you to the origins of your favorite drink. Harvesting your own coffee cherries and roasting the beans brings you closer to the entire coffee-making process. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Sharing your coffee growing journey with friends and family can spark interesting discussions and inspire others to try it too. Let's explore how to embark on this exciting journey. From selecting the right seeds to providing the ideal growing conditions, we'll guide you through each step of growing your own coffee plant. You can begin your coffee growing adventure in two ways: seeds or young plants. Each method has its own set of advantages and challenges, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and patience level. Coffee seeds are actually called beans. These beans are the starting point for your coffee plant, and they require a bit of preparation before planting. Fresh beans sprout better than old ones. Make sure to source your beans from a reliable supplier to ensure they are fresh and viable. If you choose to start from seed, be patient. The germination process can be slow and requires consistent care and attention. It can take a few weeks for them to germinate. During this time, keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and provide a warm environment. Alternatively, you can purchase a young coffee plant. This option is less time-consuming and allows you to skip the germination phase entirely. This is a quicker route to enjoying homegrown coffee. Young plants are usually more resilient and easier to care for than seeds. Look for a healthy plant with vibrant green leaves. This indicates that the plant is in good health and has been well cared for. Whether you choose seeds or seedlings, the next step is providing the right care. Proper watering, sunlight, and nutrients are essential for the growth and health of your coffee plant. Coffee plants need specific conditions to thrive. They prefer well-draining soil that is slightly acidic. Indirect sunlight is best, as too much direct sun can scorch the leaves. Water your plant regularly, but don't overwater. The soil should be moist, not soggy. Maintain a warm temperature around your coffee plant. Avoid placing it near drafts or cold windows. With love and attention, your coffee plant will flourish and eventually reward you with its precious beans. Like all plants, coffee plants can encounter challenges. Common pests include aphids and spider mites. You can deter these by wiping the leaves with a mild soap solution. Diseases like leaf rust can occur if the plant is too wet. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overwatering. If you notice yellowing leaves, it could indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Use a balanced fertilizer specifically designed for coffee plants. Regularly inspect your plant for any signs of trouble and address them promptly to keep it healthy. After a few years, your patience will be rewarded. Growing coffee is a journey that requires dedication and care. From the moment you plant the seed, you embark on a path that will eventually lead to a bountiful harvest. Your coffee plant will start producing small, white flowers. These delicate blossoms are a sign that your plant is healthy and thriving. The flowers are not only beautiful, but also essential for the next stage of growth. These flowers eventually develop into green cherries. At this stage, the cherries are not yet ready for harvest, but they are steadily growing and maturing. The cherries ripen to a deep red color when they are ready for harvest. This vibrant red hue indicates that the cherries have reached their peak ripeness and are bursting with flavor. Inside each cherry are 2 coffee beans. These beans are the treasure you've been nurturing all this time. They are the core of what will become your delicious cup of coffee. After harvesting, the beans need to be processed. This step is crucial as it involves removing the outer layers of the cherries to reveal the beans inside. This involves removing the outer layers and drying the beans. Drying is an essential part of the process as it prepares the beans for roasting by reducing their moisture content. Once dried, you can roast the beans and grind them for brewing. Roasting brings out the rich flavors and aromas locked within the beans, while grinding prepares them for the final step. Congratulations! You can now savor a cup of coffee made from beans you grew yourself. This is the culmination of your hard work and dedication, a truly rewarding experience.